It is very exciting to buy a new house. Hi, my name is Cathy Resek. I'm a realtor with Keller Williams in Miami. And in today's Real Estate Talks, I'm going to be sharing with you the 3 most important tips for first-time home buyers. Number 1, get pre-approved. Getting pre-approved is knowing exactly how much you can afford. Basically, what a lender will need from you is 4 pieces of information that are crucial for you to get pre-approved. Number 1, they want to know your credit score. It needs to be a good credit score. Number 2, if you have a steady income, if you have a salary. 3, very important, is your debt to income ratio. They want to make sure you don't owe more than what you can pay. That's what is basically that. So for example, if you are planning on buying a house in the very near future, you're saving for it, try not to make any big expenses. Don't open any new credit cards, buy a boat. No big ticket items that could affect your debt to income ratio. Number 4, very important, is your down payment. Depending on the type of home loan you're doing, they are going to indicate what type of minimum down payment you can give, and you can give more depending on how much you have for that. There are different types of loans, FHA, conventional, etc. So the lender will discuss that with you. Number 2, know your market. Know where you want to live, understand your market. It's very important, location. We all know location, location, location. I always suggest people make a list of things that they want and they need in a house, taking into consideration that location is very important. So be clear on the location that you want, or the locations that you want. They meet your price criteria based on your pre-approval that you already got from your lender. And based on that, then you can start the search. Also, looking for a house needs to be a realistic task. You have the house of your dreams, you've made your list of your needs and wants. You may not find exactly what you're looking for, but you may also fall in love with a house you never thought you would fall in love. So you need to be flexible, you need to be open. For example, maybe you're looking for a 2-story house and you don't find exactly what you want, but you go check a house that's 1 story and you love it and you see yourself living there. So you need to be flexible. You know, if it's in the right location and check most of your boxes, this is a good fit for you. Number 3, hire a real estate agent, a buyer's agent, someone that understands your wants and needs. That's very important, and I left number 3 for last because number 1 and number 2 will be much easier to do if you get number 3 right. Having someone working by your side and guiding you every step of the way. That's extremely important and will make a world of difference in your search for a new home. It will make your move much easier. As you know from my introduction, I am a realtor, but I'm also a buyer's agent. I've been working with buyers for the last 15 years here in the greater Miami area. So if you're thinking of buying and would like a free consultation, do not hesitate to call me, contact me at any time. My information can be found in the link description below this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to press the bell so you can be notified every time there is a new upload. My plan is to upload 1 video on a weekly basis, sharing tips and tools with you to make your move easier. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. As promised in the beginning of this video, there is a free download for you to help you define the home of your dreams.